Have you ever woken up already tired? Or you literally dragged yourself throughout the day even after a full night's sleep? The truth is, it is not just tiredness, neither is it lack of sleep. There are hidden habits that are quietly draining your energy every single day. And today, I'm exposing 5 of them plus exactly how to stop them so you reclaim your focus, your productivity, and your life. Having said that, let's dive in. Energy is everything. But when your energy is low, even simple tasks feels very heavy. When it's high, you feel unstoppable. But most people are leaking energy every day without even realizing it. Today, I'm exposing 5 biggest culprits of energy drainage. And if you watch to the end, I will give you a simple daily system to protect your energy long term. Habit 1, poor sleep hygiene. Now, let's start with the obvious one that we keep ignoring. Sleep hygiene, and not sleep itself, but the quality of your sleep. Every swipe, every late night scroll silently robs your body of deep rest. Your brain never gets the signal to shut down. That's why you wake up heavy even after 8 hours. Sleep is more than time in bed, it's quality restoration. The quality of your sleep. Most people actually get into bed, let's say at 10 p.m., but they end up actually sleeping at 2 a.m. They are busy hopping from one social media to the other. Now, don't get me wrong, information is key. I mean, we all need to stay updated in our everyday lives. But you need to do it with caution. Social media has actually impacted our mental health in a negative way, but that's topic for another day. If you cannot turn off your phone an hour before you go to sleep, do it as soon as you get into bed. This habit naturally destroys your body rhythm because your body is the one suffering it. The simple fix to this is to create a healthy sleep ritual. Have a consistent bedtime. Do not sleep with bright light. Dim your light and actually sleep when you're meant to sleep. When you fix your sleep hygiene, you are not just resting. You are recharging your system both physically and mentally. Habit 2, dehydration. Yes, and don't roll your eyes. This one is sneaky, but by the time you feel thirsty, your brain is already underperforming. Dehydration is an invincible thief. By the time you feel thirsty, your brain is already slowing down as a result of tiredness and your focus slipping away. And the simple solution to this, try as much as you can to drink at least 2 glasses of water when you get out of bed every morning. See, hydration can never be overemphasized. I know I said it in my last video, but I will say it over and over again. Hydration goes a long way in impacting our mental health. Carry a reusable bottle of water wherever you go. I also mentioned that if you're the type that does not like drinking water, flavor your water with berries, lemon, and cucumbers. When you say yes to water, you say no to tiredness because each sip recharges your cells, sharpens your mind, and keeps your energy alive. If you can maintain this habit of constantly hydrating your body, there's no way you feel tired. You can go a day without eating, but do not go 30 to 1 hour without drinking a reasonable amount of water. Now, I want you to think of water as the fuel that your brain cells needs. Without it, you are running on empty. Habit 3. This third habit is invincible but very deadly. Mental clutter, overthinking, worrying about things that you can't control, constantly playing conversations in your head. Your mind races, stressing over problems that don't even exist yet. Planning your future, your present, and your past at the same time. Plans that may sometimes not see the light of the day. You're prone to burnout. This action alone drains the brain more than running a marathon because your brain cannot differentiate between a real threat and a thought loop. The solution isn't to think harder, it's to let go, reset, and clear the mental space. Now, the simple fix to this is to practice a mental decluttering ritual. Do something that interests you. Just a way of distracting yourself from yourself. Meditating, journaling, dancing, or even taking a 10-minute walk outside without your phone can reset your brain. You don't need to control every thought. Just empty the mental trash before it overflows. The fourth habit that is quietly draining your energy every day is toxic relationships and negativity. The people who constantly try to pull you down, people who complain about every single thing you do, and people who criticize all of your efforts.
Some of the biggest energy drains walk, talk, and smile right beside you. Their words cut deeper than they look.
It can come from family, friend, a partner, or even a co-worker. These relationships act like vampires because they leave you totally exhausted without even lifting a finger. Now, the solution to this is not necessarily cutting people off. Sometimes you just need to establish clear boundaries, set boundaries, limit your exposure, protect your space, prioritize yourself, and associate yourself with people who lift you higher, people who want to see you succeed, people who see the good in you, people who want to witness your growth, people who are competing with you in a healthy way. Now, competition is not actually a bad thing, but it's only toxic when it's unhealthy. You can engage in healthy competitions with your friend or friends. Not necessarily, oh, how do I match this person? How do I get to this? It's okay to want to get to a particular person's level intellectually and not say, oh, this person is intimidating. She's got this brand of car. I need to match up. La, la, la. No. I recently came across a lady on Instagram. She was talking about how she audits her friends yearly, that she actually learned from someone. Let's say she has 3 friends. So in her quiet time, she audits them. So this is Vera, for instance. What have I actually benefited from Vera? Of what value has she added to my life? Do I really see myself in her? Do we really belong to the same space? Do we reason alike? Do we worship God together? And stuff like that. Now, this is someone very intentional about her circle. You need to protect your space. People who are of value to you, people that you know that impact your life in a positive way. Don't get me wrong, not friends with benefits, just people that you reason alike. People that you can trust with something, people that you can call any day for a reasonable advice and they will show up. Not people that try to pull you down, people that, and again, don't keep friends that you see yourself higher than, because no matter what you do, they will try as much as they can to bring you down to their level. Look up to people. Keep friends that you're actually looking up to, people that you can say, oh, this is my friend and I'm proud of her and I want to be like her in the so near future. Now, these are healthy competitions and not people who drains you mentally, who keeps you mentally exhausted. A family member that will only come to you when he or she needs something. Somebody that whenever you see the person's call, your mind is flying. No. Because these are the things that get you worked up and make you tired every day.
Energy vampires lose their grip the moment you set boundaries. Protect your space and reclaim your strength.
Sanitize your space. Sanitize your circle. And sanitize your mind. The fifth habit that is quietly draining your energy every day is overcommitting. Saying yes all the time. Mind you, when you say yes to everything and to everyone else, you say no to yourself. An energy spread too thin leads to burnout.
Saying yes to everything is a slow drain, 1,000 little promises that leave nothing for yourself. Burnout isn't sudden, it's built. One unnecessary yes at a time. Your power comes back the moment you learn to say no.
You need to learn the power of a respectful no, even when it's convenient. Because you cannot serve everybody at the same time. There are some people that when they tell you to go down, you go. They will still come back and tell you that you're not down enough. So, always dedicate a particular time of the day for yourself. And let it be about you. And nothing should come in between you and that time. It's about you and no one else. Learn the power of a respectful no. Again, I'm saying learn the power of a respectful no. Now, this has nothing to do with selfishness. It's self-care and it's survival. I know I mentioned this in my last video when I talked about the 10 ways to prioritize yourself. But the truth is, when you say yes when it's not convenient, even people that will know that it's not convenient and they keep coming back, and you might not be able to say no. I, for one, used to be guilty of this, but over time, I made a conscious effort to liberate myself from this energy drainage. Because I found out that even when I'm burnt out, they will still want me to say yes. Now that's selfishness. So you saying no to whether it's convenient or it's not convenient is not selfishness. You are just trying to survive. And mind you, when you're trying to serve everyone else, you serve no one in return, including yourself. So learn the power of a respectful no. That's just the simplest way to fix this. You can start small. I mean, it's hard, I know. It's not going to happen in one night. But a journey of 1,000 miles begins with just a step. Start from when it's convenient to say no. You notice how good you feel. So, the 5 things that are quietly draining your energy every day are 1. Poor sleep hygiene. 2. Dehydration. 3. Mental clutter. 4. Toxic relationships. And 5. Overcommitting.
And their fixes are simple rituals: better sleep, hydrate, clear your mind, set boundaries, and say no when you need to.
Remember, energy is life. Protect it and unlock your best self. And if this video helped, hit the subscription button. Leave a comment in the comment section on the habits you're quitting first. And also share with someone who needs their energy back. Your energy is your power. Guard it like treasure. See you in the next video.